Our small pin cam locks can be set up for a variety of handings, but assembly can be confusing at first. This video will show you how to set up these locks for a variety of handings. Hello, I'm Michael with Olympus Lock, and this video will show you how to set up these locks for the vertical hand key retaining configuration. If you need a different handing, additional videos are available on this website for each of the possible handings. For this procedure, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. There are 4 parts involved in this assembly: the reversible cam stop, the cam shifter, and the cam screw. Please note that for the key retaining function, it is necessary to purchase an additional key retaining cam shifter. The vertical hand key retaining can be set up so that the cam retracts to either the left or to the right. To change which direction the cam retracts, simply install the reversible cam stop in the other position. Install the cam in the 12 o'clock position. Install the key retaining cam shifter so that the prongs are on either side of the brass pin in the cam. Assemble everything together with the cam screw and check for proper operation of the lock. Your locks are now ready for use. If you need more information, contact us via email at info@olympus-lock.com, call us at 206-362-3290, or visit our website, olympuslock.com. Thanks for watching.